Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get Cash App boosts every time. What are Cash App boosts? So, boosts are instant discounts that you can apply to your cash card when you make purchases. Think of them like digital coupons that give you percentage or a fixed dollar amount off when you spend at specific stores or categories like 10% off at Starbucks or $5 off DoorDash. The great thing is they apply instantly at checkout and there is no waiting for cashback. But here's the catch, you can only activate one boost at a time. So if you want to make the most of boosts, you need to know how to swap and refresh them smartly. Here is the trick to get boosts in every time. 1. Use your boost, then immediately swap. Once you use a boost, go back into the boost menu and swap it. Cash App lets you change your boost once every 24 hours, but in many cases you can swap it immediately after using one. This lets you keep rotating them based on where you are spending. And as for the step 2, schedule your purchases. If you know if you are going to make certain purchases like grabbing lunch at Subway, buying groceries at Whole Foods, subscribing to Netflix, check the available boosts first. Activate the right one, make your purchase, then go back and change to the next relevant boost. This way you are always saving money strategically. Number 3, keep an eye on limited time offers. Cash App adds seasonal and limited time boosts often, especially during holidays or special events. These are usually more valuable, like 20% off your total purchase. To catch them, all you need to do is check the boost section regularly. Turn on notifications for Cash App so you are alerted when new boosts drop. And for the additional two steps, step 4, use Cash App for subscriptions. If you buy Netflix subscription, Hulu or HBO Max, you can use your Cash App and get the boost for them. There will be some specific boosts for the OTT subscription. And as for the step 5, reorder frequently used boosts. You can use them on reorder. For example, you can just use one for one time, and if you swap it directly on that day you can use another one, so that means maintains the reorder frequently option. So that was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell if you want to get notified every time we upload any kind of tech tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.